Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. This is just an amazing slide. One slide, let's take a look at it. You see the effect is pretty nice. Let's see how we can create that. The thing is that you need to have this picture. This picture is available in the insert pictures. You can get it from the stock image, from the free one. Okay, let's go after that. This is the picture. The text is just simple, but the thing that makes it amazing is not the simple text, it's these two shapes and how we are working with them. Oh, look at this. This is a big picture that I rotated. Okay, let's have the picture, create another copy of that, put it on that. We have two pictures, both aligned center and middle. Now, I want to have this text. This text is created easily. It's using some shape format here. You can choose it from whatever you want. And after choosing that, for example, this shape, you can recolor it. It's up to you. And after that, you can format it. And let's see. You can have a border size from it from here. If I say it right, shape outline, you can give it a shape outline you want. This shape outline, and after that copy this thing and paste it back, send it to the back. Now copy that slide, you have it here. You want to bring it, you have to bring it to the top and then hold shift and move them out like this. And just simply set the transition to morph. Okay, sometimes these things happen in PowerPoint. It's not a mistake and something that you can't fix. Let's just simply set it to morph and let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can see more videos in my channel. Have a nice time.